banana peppers. I miss you guys so freaking much. I feel like it's almost been 2 months since I've been on this channel. If you're still here, you are the utmost banana pepper of all banana peppers. I look forward to being back on this channel and chilling with you guys again. I definitely wanted to start uploading on this channel again like the week after Halloween. I meant to say the week after October. And now literally for the entire month of November, I've been sick. Literally the entire month. I think I started getting sick on like the 2nd of November. And I just feel like it's been probably not a sinus infection, but just like a really, really bad cold, which I don't really want to get into the symptoms of. Like, we don't really need to discuss that. You know, it's a cold. It's unpleasant. The symptoms are disgusting. I feel like you can kind of still hear it in my voice. Whatever. Let's move on. A cold is not an interesting topic. More interesting and disturbing topics, although I kind of like it, is this piece of hair. I just noticed this today and I'm like, wait a minute. I don't remember having any strands of my hair that were this short. I don't know what's going on here. Like, did I accidentally cut this section of my hair off? Did it just break off from too many sassy buns? What's going on here? Come to your own conclusions. Help me decide what I did to my hair. Or maybe it just is a really short layer. Like, does this just sound completely wacky? But is there ever just kind of like any physical feature of yourself that you maybe like just wonder if you've never noticed about yourself before? Am I suddenly living in an alternate time zone? It's like suddenly discovering a new freckle or something. I don't know, but here it is. So today we are going to be celebrating the 48th day of October. We're just pretending like November doesn't exist. And actually the video that I have today is slightly Halloween-y. And it's a video that I feel like I made maybe two or 3 years ago on Graveyard Girl. Did we do these last year on this channel? Am I having some sort of brain lapse? Anyway, we have some mystery things to unbox today, and they are Sunny Angel Halloween collection. I know that we've done them 1 or 2 times before. The packaging is freaking adorable. All pastel Halloween. I honestly, Sunny Angel are probably some of the mystery unboxing things that I get the most excited for. And unfortunately, I feel like they don't come out with very many collections. They also, the same company, which I think is technically Dreams, they come out with a collection called Sorry Angels as well. I've done some unboxings of them in the past. Those are really rare, few and far in between collections. I don't even know if they're gonna make anymore. I feel like it's been forever since we've seen a new series of those. I will try and remember to link you guys to all these previous videos I've done before, because I've definitely opened many of the Sorry Angel collections before and the Sunny Angel collections. Anyway, how are we so far into this video and I haven't opened anything yet? We've got a bunch of, not a bunch actually. A bunch is definitely not the right word. It looks like there are 4 different kinds that we can get, plus 2 secrets, plus a character that I've always freaking wanted to get from Sunny Angel. It has got to be so super rare. You guys know we get lucky a lot of times with the Kid Robot unboxings. We'll get one of the more rare characters, one of the secret versions, but I've never gotten a Sunny Angel one. I'm not sure if he's supposed to be like a kangaroo, a bunny, a dog. I've only seen him online. I've never seen one in person, but I think his name is Robbie? I'm not sure which, but he's Sunny Angel's little animal sidekick. They show you the 4 designs that you can get, which looks like a jack-o'-lantern, a witch, a ghost, and they don't show you the other one. Oh, yes they do, an owl over here. Anyway, enough talking. Let's open. I don't know how many I bought. I bought every one that Toy Joy still had. So we know we're gonna get duplicates today. This is 6, 7, 8. I've got 9 to unbox. So hopefully in one of these 9, there's gonna be a freaking Roddy. I actually bought the display, but it's driving me crazy because I can't find the little like display case. Where is my mind? In all honesty, it has been a long night. It's 4 in the morning right now. And this is maybe the 4th video that I'm filming tonight. It has been so long since I've had a marathon filming session, but I'm really feeling like very energized and very excited, and very kind of like passionate again. And I used to have days where I would like film multiple videos in a day all the time. But it's been a long time since I've really had the passion and energy to do that. So here we are today, but it's a little bit extreme, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like that's why I'm a little scatterbrained. Who am I kidding? I have a lot of days where I'm scatterbrained. It is what it is. I already know that there's gonna be a comment down below that's like, she doesn't unbox anything until like 7:55 into the video, which fair enough to timestamp. So we definitely, of course, are going to get quite a few repeats today. Like I said, I do kind of wish that they made more designs so that if you wanted to try and go for the secret one, you wouldn't necessarily get like 500 repeats in the process, but that's the way the news goes. So it does come with a cute little guidebook that shows you a lot of the other Sunny Angels that they have. These are kind of like the normal ones, which I guess they do make quite a few collections like that, where it's either vegetables or flowers or animals. And basically all the dolls look the same. They just have different hats on. So I guess that's what I like the most about the holiday ones, like the Halloween and the Christmas ones, is they're wearing completely different outfits entirely, and it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Here is our first one, and he's dressed like a little pastel witch, and I don't know if you guys can see or not, but he has a shirt on, and the shirt says nice everything. And I'm trying to, it's like very faintly on the shirt because the text is written in white ink and the shirt is like a pastel teal. Angel wings on the back, a cute little cape. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. So this looks like it's the color variant that's on the box. And I do believe the last time we unboxed these, that at least there was that difference. Like it would be the same character, like we would get a witch 2 or 3 times, but at least the witch would be wearing a different colored cape or something. So at least we can hold out hope that there will be some differences, some subtle differences in our repeats. Who do we have here? Let's find out. Oh no! You guys, it's not boding well. We have our first exact duplicate repeat. All right, third one. I feel like these are gonna go by really fast today. So leave me some comments down below. Let's catch up. Let me know what's been going on in your lives. What have you been up to? Did you have a good October? Are you having a good November? I hope the answer is yes. I always hope that you guys are staying happy and healthy and sassy out there. And oh my freaking gosh. This does not bode well, which is sad because I think that these things were $9 a piece. Yeah, $8.95 a piece. Oh, the sting of a triple repeat in a row. I don't believe that we've ever had 2 secret kinds before. I think generally they're always 5 types plus 1 secret, which is the little like sidekick guy. If this is another witch, I'm gonna McFreaking lose it. Oh, thank goodness. I felt the little pointy thing on top again, and I was like, you've got to be kidding me. But we have the little ghost. And what does the shirt say? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Dreamy Halloween. And I don't believe that they've ever had a ghost in the collection before. Let me try and turn down the brightness. Yeah, okay, there. Maybe now you guys can see the text and everything. But I don't believe we've ever had a ghost before. I know that we have had a pumpkin, maybe a witch, maybe a werewolf. I'm trying to remember what we've seen in years past. Wow. Okay, I was trying to turn up the brightness and I turned down the darkness. I'm always trying to see if like maybe it feels lighter. Maybe that means it's going to be one of the little secret ones, because I feel like he is a little bit shorter than Sunny Angel. We shall see if we ever get one. Let me see. Who is this? I can't tell. It is? Oh no, another repeat. Yeah, so you guys, I'm definitely gonna have to say no different colorways this year. Let's keep going. We have 4 left. Let's see who this is gonna be. Oh, look, we finally got a different one. So this is the little pumpkin head one, and I love this one. I actually wish that I knew which box the other versions were packed away in, so we could do kind of like a side-by-side comparison. I feel like the ones before were much more vibrant, and I feel like this year's feeling is like the dreamy Halloween, where it's much more pastel. Let me see if you guys can see how it says nice. Oh, nice evening. I thought it said nice everything. Let me see if you guys can see now. It's just really hard to see, honestly. You're not looking at it in person. All right, you guys, only 3 more. We only have 3 more chances to get any of the secret ones. They certainly don't seem to make it very easy on us. We're only missing the owl out of the normal Sunny Angel. Why am I saying like the whole name? We're only missing the owl. Oh, not anymore. We have our little owl, and this is the only one that doesn't have a shirt that says words or a phrase on it. I love all these little details though. This one has a little bat like cravat on. So cute. I feel like these are just so incredibly detailed. But I love how they all have like little necktie things on. I feel like I'm about to lose my voice. All right, we only have 2 left. Ooh, this one feels kind of light. I hope we at least get one of the secrets or something so I can show you guys what they look like. I wonder if the secrets this year are completely different characters, or if they just made the alternate color variants like more secret this year. I don't know. Let's see. Who do we have? Ah, it's another owl. So now we have at least 2 duplicates of each one. My goodness. Okay. Last box, you guys. What are we gonna get? Are we gonna be lucky? Are we gonna get another duplicate? Let me see. Ooh, you know what? I don't want to jinx it. So yeah, definitely, I feel like only 1 or 2 had been sold out of the case before I bought the rest of what was in the case. So definitely, if you buy a case of these, you are going to get a ton of repeats. It seems like they really don't go very easy on you at all, because I thought at least we would get some of the secret full-size Sunny Angels. I am gonna look up a picture and I will insert it in the screen if I can find out what the secrets or the sidekick looked like. I was really hoping, since it's Halloween, we were gonna get lucky today, but sometimes that's just the way that it goes. That is it, you guys. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you are still here, thank you guys so much for being here and for hanging out with me today, and I hope we can get back into making regular banana peppers videos. I've got a lot of unboxings to do for this channel. I have a lot of little minifigures to open, and I don't know, I keep thinking more and more to make this channel like more of a B-sides to Graveyard Girl. I think it was the last Does This Thing Really Work I did on my main channel. I did the Dyson Airwrap, and as usual, I got a bunch of comments like asking me to test out like using it in different ways. I of course got a lot of comments telling me I did it wrong. So I thought maybe sometimes I've done retests of certain Does This Thing Really Work products on Graveyard Girl, but I thought, hey, you know what? Maybe if I ever want to retest some products, maybe I could bring it over to banana peppers instead. And then that way, like, people that want like more deep dive content, like you can get, or more like B-sides. I don't know. But we shall see. I keep thinking about making this channel like more of a companion to Graveyard Girl. But I don't know, I do love the really nice casual, like sit down, chill out kind of style on this channel. But I don't know. Now I'm babbling, but I love you guys. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery, and I will see y'all guys again very, very soon. Bye!